one of the outstanding Negrosanon awardee of the province of Negros Occidental in the field of education and literature is my classmate and Palanca awardee Jeanette Patindol. Jeanette's formal academic training is in business and economics. She graduated Bachelor of Science major in mathematics, magna cum laude, from LaSalle College, Bacolod. Her first love and passion have always been books, reading, and writing. She was awarded the Philippine Board on Books for Young People's PBBY Alfredo Salanga Prize for Children's Literature twice in 2004 and 2007 for her best-selling and pioneering children's books addressing adult issues, Papa's House, Mama's House.
I wrote Papa's House, Mama's House, a children's book for 6 years old and below, to explain to my very young children then, age 9, 5, and 2, why I had to leave my marriage from their father and why they have two homes. It won the Philippine Board on Books for Young People Alfredo Salanga Prize for Children's Literature in 2004. Also, I wrote it upon the kulit of my writer friend Christine Belen of the Lola Basyang series to submit it to the Philippine Board on Books for Young People contest in the first place. No, I haven't written or submitted any entry to the Palanca. But what I have done was submit, because my heart is in writing stories for children. I have written 2 stories which both won the PBBY or Philippine Board on Books for Young People Alfredo Salanga Prize for Children's Literature. One was in 2004, that was Papa's House, Mama's House, published by Adarna House. And the second was in 2007, that was Tight Times, also published by Adarna House. Tight Times is about tight financial or economic circumstances. Other awards were the NOPSEA Outstanding Teacher Award in 2010 for the college level, the 2011 PERAA National Outstanding Teacher Award for the tertiary level, and the 2018 Provincial Government of Negros Occidental's Most Outstanding Negrosanon for Education and Literature.
Jeanette was also a multi-awarded educator in the Philippines, teaching economics, communications, and interdisciplinary studies courses at the University of St. LaSalle. She started her Josa Way series after retiring early from university teaching career to focus full-time on her writing.
Mainly from life experience, the struggles I also have to deal with and to go through, especially with my very young children and especially as a single mom. Also from observation of others' life experiences and questions that I reflect on, especially life questions that no one seems to answer adequately in existing books and other media, especially if there are questions that concern children and young people.